This summer, little Anne, a cheerful girl with a heart of gold, eagerly joined a charity trip to a remote mountain village with her school friends. She had always heard stories about life in the mountains where children didn't have enough books, clothes, or even proper classrooms. The journey to the village was long and winding, and peered out of the bus window, watching the landscape change from bustling city streets to quiet, rugged mountain paths. As they climbed higher, the air grew colder, and the houses became fewer and far between. When they arrived, Anne was shocked. The village school was barely standing, with walls cracked and paint peeling off. The roof seemed ready to fall off at any moment. She saw children sitting on old, broken wooden chairs, their smiles bright, but their eyes filled with uncertainty. Her heart went out to them, realizing how different their lives were from hers. It was like a wake up call for Annie, and felt a strong desire to do something, anything to help. By the time they headed back home, An had made up her mind. She would rally her friends to gather books, clothes, and any supplies they could find. Back at school, Anne wasted no time. She gathered her friends and told them what she had seen. "We can't turn a blind eye to this," she said passionately. Her friends were all ears, and soon they were on board with her plan. They quickly spread the word, and soon everyone was chipping in, donating books, clothes, and even some toys. The following week, Anna and her friends sent the packages off to the village. She couldn't wait to hear back from the village, hoping that their small effort would bring smiles to those children. A few days later, Anne got some great news. A new school was going to be built in the village with sturdy walls, a strong roof, and enough space for all the children to study comfortably. She was over the moon with joy. It was like a dream come true, not just for her, but for all the children in the village, and realized that the journey had been more than just a trip to a faraway place. It had opened her eyes to the world beyond her own, teaching her that even the smallest acts of kindness could spark big changes. It wasn't just about the things they gave, it was about the love and care they shared, and that she knew would make all the difference in the world. From that day on, Anne promised herself to keep lending a hand wherever she could. She believed that every good deed, no matter how small, added a little light to the world. And in her heart, she knew that this was just the beginning of her journey to help others.